Children of Standard 6, we have been discussing our second chapter, that is components of food. In that context, we discussed about carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, water and roughies. All of us know that all the 7 things are the components of the food, and we discussed about the 5 main components of food, their function and their role inside human physiology. We discussed in detail about roughies and what constitute the balanced diet. So, after discussion of balanced diet, we came to know that the components of food in adequate amount make a balanced diet, and all the nutrients in adequate amount is required for all of us in adequate amount, and it is required to have all the nutrients in our food. But when these components lack in our balanced diet, we suffer from many diseases, and deficiency of any of the component can cause many kinds of diseases in us. A disease which arise due to lack of nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins or minerals in our diet over a long period of time is called a deficiency disease. So, deficiency diseases we discussed yesterday in yesterday's class. We discussed about kwashiorkor, that is caused by the lack of protein in our diet. Now, the deficiency of carbohydrate we are going to discuss, and we are going to discuss the deficiency of carbohydrate and protein and their result in a disease. So the name of their disease is marasmus. Before that, we should know that the deficiency of carbohydrate causes weakness, because all of us know that the carbohydrate is energy giving food, so it causes weakness, it causes lack of energy, it causes reduced stamina to work, to play and to do any kind of physiological activity, and it causes deficiency of carbohydrates causes lack of stamina, and the person who is suffering from the deficiency of carbohydrate feels tired. And the deficiency of protein, that is body building food, can cause muscles weakness, stunted growth, loss of weight and diseases of skin. So yesterday we discussed the disease kwashiorkor, that is caused by the deficiency of protein in the diet of a child, and if it is detected early, this disease is treated by adding protein to child's diet. We discussed the causes and symptoms of kwashiorkor in yesterday's class. Now, the next a disease that is called marasmus is caused by extreme deficiency of protein and carbohydrate in the diet of a person. It is called protein energy malnutrition. Protein, that is bodybuilding food, energy, that is provided by carbohydrate food. So the disease marasmus is called protein energy malnutrition. This disease leads to marasmus due to absence of protein and carbohydrate in our diet for a long period. The symptoms of this disease, normally it occurs in a child of 1 year and less than 1 year. The child becomes very thin. The child's skin becomes loose. The child's legs get weakened and the child feels lack of energy and there is poor muscular development in the child. So, the symptoms again, the child becomes very thin, skin becomes very loose, his or her legs get weakened, the child feels lack of energy and there is very poor muscle development. The treatment of marasmus is, it can be treated by giving a special diet to the child with protein and carbohydrate along with sufficient water. So, the marasmus is curable with the treatment by giving a special diet to the child with adequate amount of protein and carbohydrate in their diet along with sufficient water.